Are you a highly sensitive person or empath? And do you know how to clear your energy at the end of the day? If not, stay tuned because I am going to teach you a very simple technique that you can implement tonight, today, to be able to clear that energy so you feel lighter and not so heavy. So keep watching. Hi, y'all, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ginger Reddy, and welcome to the Thriving Sensitive. I am so grateful you are here. This is a channel where we get real about how it feels to be a highly sensitive person, and we have a real talk about what it feels like to be an HSP. So I am doing a little series of videos right now. The first one, how to protect yourself before you walk out the door as an HSP. The second video is one where I am teaching you how to release the energy that you may have picked up throughout the days. And this is the third video where I am teaching you how to cleanse energy at the end of the day. My goal is to give you tangible, easy things you can implement throughout the day that makes you feel better. Because as highly sensitive people, we take on so much energy and sometimes it feels very heavy and very overwhelming and we get overstimulated and we don't understand why. Let's get into today's technique. Okay, at the end of the day, when you're taking a shower, it's as simple as this. I keep saying how simple these techniques are and they can make a huge change in your life. When you are taking a shower, I want you to imagine a white, purple, whatever light resonates within you or with you. And I want you to imagine it coming through the shower head and that water is cascading over your body and it is going to remove anything that does not belong to you. You can state that out loud. Any energy, anything that I've picked up throughout the day that is not for my highest good, it is going to go down the drain. That's it. We're starting to implement these practices will help you feel more connected to Mother Earth, will help you to release the energies that you are picking up. You are a high vibrational frequency being, and you are picking up that energy, and you just do it so much easier than others because you're so in tune. You're in tune with your environment. You're in tune with the external stimuli that's going on. When you start to do these practices, all of a sudden, you can understand what you're picking up, what is your energy, what is not my energy. If you have a shift in your energy, why? Why are you shifting in energy? Why are you all of a sudden mad? Why are you all of a sudden super tired? Did you pick something up? The more curious you get, the better you're going to become at recognizing what is yours, what is not, and getting rid of what is not. So at the end of the night, I want you to just imagine that white light, and I want you to imagine it cascading over you like a waterfall, and everything that is not of your highest good and anything that you picked up goes down the drain. It should help you sleep better. It should help you feel a little bit more relaxed. Another component that I like to add with this as well, after you get out of the shower, you can put a journal next to you and write down some things that went well and celebrate something. So often HSPs are perfectionists and we expect all these things to be done and we beat ourselves up when we didn't do enough. Celebrate a win. Write down 1, maybe 2 wins, or just do it mentally. I like writing it down because there's an energetic exchange. But if that seems overwhelming, I don't want to overwhelm you because at HSPs, we already get overwhelmed easily. I want you to just imagine what went great today. Because many times we focus on what didn't go well. It's time to focus on what did go well. Clear the energy and then recognize what went well today. What was awesome today? And end your night that way because then you are ending your day and starting your sleep by going in with good energy. That's a massive difference than going in with, oh my God, everything is ruined. Life is bad. You're not going to sleep. You're going to bed frustrated and angry. So remove the energy, remove what is not of the highest good for you, remove what is not yours. Write down something that is to celebrate and go to bed that way. HSPs suffer insomnia all the time because we are taking so much on. This is another way to start releasing. If you like this video, you like this technique, if you're going to implement it, give this a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I just want to say I'm grateful for each and every one of you. And if you have an HSP friend or an empath friend, please share this video with them. So these are techniques that meant to be shared with the world. So please share it. I would be forever grateful. Sending you all so much light and love and beautiful energy. Have a great day, y'all.